What is good, y'all? Okay, I'm trying out a different type of video here. It is going to be first-person POV, but this time it's going to be on the camera. Got the F80 M3. Let's open the valves. Oh yeah, we love the S55, man. All right, bro. First things first, we gotta go to home of the depot. It's gonna be so hard to do with one hand here. So, believe it or not, this F80 only has, well, it's all stock exhaust. I think the resonators are obviously gone. The stock muffler, tailpipe, or exhaust tips, and then you have the catalyst downpipes, but that's about it. Oh my God, there is somebody. Okay. Let me know how you guys like this type of video. I kind of got sick of the whole GoPro feeling. Just not honestly the most comfortable feeling. Wow, they got fucking close. Holy shit. Alright, we're gonna do something stupid here. Yeah. I'll open the window just a little bit here. I think I gotta change the gaskets on this car, bro, because the entire smell of the exhaust is just going in here, and it's not pleasant at all. I also cannot wait to get a tune for this thing, like off-the-shelf map, MHD, because the person that had this last, bro, the burbles are just way too much even for me. R1. So I gotta check engine light, got low tire pressure. I don't know why it's always the right one. I'm assuming maybe the TPMS sensor is actually just fucked, but yeah, then we got a bunch of combustion misfires, harmful gas, a lot of things that I honestly don't know about because this is obviously the first time I've ever owned an S55. Woo! This is a little tricky. S55, honestly, best platform there ever will be. But I do miss my 435i actually. It just was a lot more fun, a lot more doable, a lot less expensive too. And you got the same amount of fun out of it. This one's just like, you have an M3, but it's not like it's a crazy thing when you're in a rich city. So all you can do is just kind of like do nothing, honestly. First gear. And it's gonna be genuinely the most jerky thing ever. Damn, that guy really pulled out like that. That's kind of crazy. Oh, little Mustang. Tints? Okay, he's definitely packing some type of power. Follow him. HOV. Okay, we're gonna get out of that. Dude, too many burbles on the S55 is just not fun at all. Like, dead ass. I would much rather have the actual, like, proper sounding of the S55 than anything else. Alright, so right now we're going to Home Depot. So I gotta get a light bulb. The adulting part really does matter sometimes. And the only downside of filming like this too, my hand is cramping badly. And it's been like 5 minutes. I'd also do some nice sexy donuts too, but I got some really expensive winter tires on here because as you can see there's a lot of snow. Well, there used to be, there is still snow. Guys, at 25 years old I bought my dream car, or my realistic dream car, of an F80 M3. Now, problem that I have is that I have this thing, but honestly, I haven't had time to upgrade it. And two, there's not really much to upgrade it to because I'm like the only things that I can upgrade are, well, that I really would love to is the tailpipes with the exhaust tips, and then also the single mid pipe. Like obviously I just told you like the resonators are gone, so if I could do a single mid pipe that would be great, but I'm honestly thinking about just going to an Audi, and the only reason for that is because I kind of want to just have a cheaper car and have more fun with it and not give a fuck about what I like. I'm just not in that tax bracket. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not in that tax bracket to be having a big single turbo F80, let alone I need to get this crane cup done. So I don't know, it was fun to have a rear wheel drive car. It is fast. I mean, it serves the purpose of everything I've ever wanted it to, but I don't love that I have to interchange tires just because of the seasons. Like obviously it's a sports car, like it's an actual sports car, so I get it, but I don't know, bro. When coming from my 435i, I just would much rather do something else. Damn, homie's got a fucking big turbo on that. Jeez. That's why I need an Audi. That wasn't an Audi. That was a fucking Dodge. I don't know why it sounded like an Audi. Alright. Well, we're going to Wawa. It's gonna be great. Get over, bro. People need to learn how to drive. I swear. I'll try and get an anti-lag if I can, but I don't know if it's gonna be possible. Guess we could just turn off DCT, or MCM, or MDM. I'm still learning the whole new M thing, bro. I'm still a new M owner. Ooh, there's an Audi though. It looks a little tuned, which I know for a fact would be really nice for me. Fast, bro. Genuinely super fast. It is cool. Oof. But man, dude, I've never had catalyst smell this bad, bro. It's actually disgusting. I'm trying to catch up to this Audi. Maybe it's an RS if I'm lucky. I don't think it is though. Is it? No, it's a regular A4. Dang it. Well, it is cool look. I do like the look of new Audis, honestly. And that's the whole reason. Well, okay, I'll say this. BMW, I love it. Exterior is way better, but interior, Audi has it all day. They are light years ahead of any BMW. Now, obviously the G chassis, no, but like the F chassis, yes. But it's so easy to make such good power on an older Audi, like between like I think it's like 2010 to 2017. After that, the mods get really expensive, but and they're fast as hell. They really are. And the Quattro, I do miss all-wheel drive. It's fun, man. It's one thing if I ever switched, I think I might just miss the sound of this thing. Stock exhaust with just downpipes, and it sounds amazing. Oh fuck. It's not. Oh! Scared me. I'll say that. Scared me a little bit there. Alright, bro. Wawa did it. Cheap gas, amazing gas, by the way. If you don't know, Wawa with 93 has the best 93 on planet Earth, and it's very cheap compared to a lot of other places, especially Marathon, dude. Marathon, fuck Marathon. $4.50 for shit gas. So, anyways, now we go. Yeah, we're gonna go through here. I'm just happy to get out of here. It's fun. So nice. Alright. Question is, how do I see? Because this is one thing, I think if I ever get a different car, because I'm not taking the tint off this one because I do like the way it looks. If I ever get a different car, I'm definitely not putting this darker tint on it because I literally can't see shit. Oh, there's another Audi. This is Sport Plus. Hell yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Watch it, buddy. I love this thing, bro. It is just one of a kind. Oh, Beamer. I love it. Love it a lot. Oh shit, I gotta turn on my lights. Fuck. That's why I couldn't see. Alright, y'all. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video where I don't know if I'm gonna shoot the POV like this or what, but I guess we'll find out. So, yep. This is it. Oh my god, Porsche dealership. Hell yeah.